Does your facility require a chemical grounding rod solution? Electrical grounding or grounding originally began as a safety measure used to help prevent people from accidentally coming in contact with electrical hazards. Simple example, if the chassis from a metal frame inadvertently becomes charged for any reason, by connecting a ground wire to this metal frame, the unwanted electricity will travel through the wire back to your electrical panel, and tripping the circuit breaker, stopping the flow of electricity. Additionally, the wire is connected to a grounding electrode, such as a grounding rod, which is in turn connected to the earth or ground outside. Since lightning has so many different ways to cause problems, you cannot buy one big black box to stop all lightning damage. You have to follow several steps. The first step is grounding, and the process is 1. Analyzing the three main areas with a smart ground testing system: touch, step and rise of earth potentials, ROEP, also known as ground potential rise, GPR. 2. There are two types of grounding. Structure. Most pipeline facilities are built with a ground grid system beneath the plant. If it has been properly designed, installed, and maintained, this system is adequate for installing grounding rod. In most cases, all you need to do is provide straight connections between the various structures and the grounding system. Service. The second type is services and equipment grounding. Services include AC power, telephone, data, and radio and television coaxial cables. Equipment consists of computers and other electrical/electronic devices. It's best to ground them so that they sample ground potential at one point only. This technique is often referred to as single-point grounding. 3. Using the soil resistivity data, we produce a conceptual grounding system layout based on your existing plant layout drawings and analyze the associated voltage contours. 4. Further calculations will be carried out to determine whether the site may influence other electrical installations under fault conditions. 5. Only once we have confidence that the design parameters are met, a full for-construction style drawing will be produced, and grounding equipment will be manufactured, tested, installed, inspected and Replace your 10 conventional grounding rods with one ultra-efficient chem rod by Lightning Eliminators and Consultants Inc. Contact details. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email: info@lecglobal.com. Contact number: 303-447-2828. Website: https://www.lightningprotection.com. Facebook: https://www.facebook.com/lightning eliminators. https://twitter.com/lightning protect. LinkedIn: https://www.linkedin.com/company/206536 YouTube: https://www.youtube.com/user/lightning eliminators.